got some oil here. Just a nice clean Mobil 1. Just put just a little bit in the cap. Just like that. Okay, put it off to the side. Take your finger, dip it in there, and just kind of take it. And you just want to put it all around the here. And this will stop your filter from seizing up. Because like I said, you just want just a nice coat on there. Okay, take your cap, put it back on here so you don't get it on your car. Just like that. But put that off to the side. And now go ahead and put this filter on. But you always want to make sure when you take off your old filter, make sure it's still got the O-ring and all that. Because this O-ring, if you leave that O-ring on there, sometimes that'll come off. And if it's stuck on the oil filter housing or whatever, then it'll basically double gasket it and it'll make a leak big time. So you always want to make sure that that's off of there.